Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Today, guys, I'm entering my last week vegan month, and it has been an awesome month. A lot of plant-based meals, and feeling overall really good about what's going on. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and seeing some of those delicious delicacies that I had in my vegan month. It's not as bad as you guys would think it is. If you've ever tried a vegan month or a vegan week, put it down in the comments below. I think I might stick with this a little bit longer, but I'm not going to limit myself to what it is that I am going to eat. I'm going to commit more to balance. But this is my final week. Let me know what you guys think below. All right, you know the motto on the page, but if you don't, each one teach one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.